Dear students, we have discussed about the Givens method. In part first, we discussed about the postulates of the Givens method, and in part second, we discussed about the tridiagonal matrix. In part second, we discussed that the given real symmetric matrix, how to a given real symmetric matrix reduce into a tridiagonal form. Now, finally, in the part third of this method, we will discuss about the Sturm sequence and how to employ this method for solving the given problems. If A be a real symmetric matrix of order n by n, then after tridiagonalization we have the required matrix B equal to this. This is B1, B2, B3 and so on here, C1, C2. This is a tridiagonal matrix of order n by n. This tridiagonal order n by n. Expanding tridiagonal matrix n by n, first of all, this is the required tridiagonal matrix of order by n. So the number of rotations to bring a given matrix into a tridiagonal form equals to n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 2. If A is the given real symmetric matrix of order n by n, then the total number of rotations to bring this given matrix into a tridiagonal matrix is n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 2. We already know that the given matrix A and the obtained tridiagonal matrix B have the same eigen values. If C1, C2, C3 and Cn all are different or are not zero, if C1, C2 and so on Cn, if all are not equal to 0, then we can say the eigenvalue of the required matrix are distinct. Then now we define we can say if Ci is not equal to 0, I equals to 1, 2 and so on n minus 1, then the eigenvalues are distinct. Now we define Fn equals to lambda I minus b. Therefore, Fn is given by this is Fn equals to, this is determinant of lambda I minus b, so this is lambda minus b1, this is minus c1, this is minus c2, this is lambda minus b2, this is minus c2, this is lambda minus b3, and finally this is lambda minus bn, this is lambda minus, this is bn, this is minus cn minus, this is this determinants. After expanding this determinant, we have expanding by minus the sequence Fn satisfies F0 equals to 1, F1 equals to lambda minus B1, and Fr equals to lambda minus Br. This is Fr minus 1 minus Cr minus 1 का whole square. This is Fr minus 2. This is 2 is less than or equal to 1. Here we observe that the Fn equal to 0. Here Fn equal to 0 is the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation of the tridiagonal matrix of the matrix B. We know that A and B have the same eigenvalues, therefore the eigenvalues of B are also the eigenvalues of A. Furthermore, if any Ci equal to 0, then the system degenerates the diagonal matrix B, which is P 0 0 Q. Here 0 is the null matrix, this 0 is also null matrix. In this form it is a P and Q. Then we have Fn equals to, this is lambda I minus B, this equals to characteristic equation of P into characteristic equation of Q. If none of Ci is not equal to 0, then we can say that Fn is a Sturm sequence. Fn is a Sturm sequence. The values of that is Vx denotes the number of changes in sign changes in sign in the sequence Fn for the value of x, for the value of x, then the number of zeros the numbers of zeros is VA minus VB. Number of zeros of Fn in AB is VA minus VB, provided A or B, provided A or B is not zero of F in AB. Provided A or B is not zero of F. In this way, we can compute the value of the eigenvalues, and we also improve by the bisection formula the value of eigenvalue. We can improve the eigenvalue of the given matrix by the bisection formula. Now we think about the eigenvectors. First of all, we find the eigenvalue of the tridiagonal matrix B. Then we find the eigenvector of A. First of all, if the eigenvectors of B are then found. If these are determined, then we obtain the eigenvectors of the given matrix A. If V and U are the eigenvectors of B and A respectively, then the eigenvector of A are given by is given by this equals to U equals to this is V into S, where S equal to S1, S2 and so on Sj. These are the product of orthogonal matrices. This is the Given's method. So if you want to summarize the Given method, so first of all we reduce the given real symmetric matrix into a tridiagonal form. Then we write the characteristic equation for the tridiagonal matrix and for the Sturm sequence, or after using the Sturm sequence we evaluate the eigenvalues, and thereafter we find the eigenvectors of B. After getting the eigenvectors of B, then we will get the eigenvectors of A. Thank you. Have a nice day.